Next is the types of velocity. Based on the characteristics, the velocity is classified in 3 subcategories. One is called as uniform or constant velocity, second one is called as variable velocity, and third one is called as average velocity. First of all, we will talk about uniform or constant velocity. A body has a uniform velocity if it travels in a specified direction in a straight line and covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, no matter how small these time intervals may be. Uniform velocity or constant velocity means a body or any object can have uniform velocity in only one condition: when it covers equal distances in equal intervals of time in a particular direction. Means direction is also not changing and speed is also remain constant. Speed and direction, if both are constant, that time the velocity is called as uniform or constant velocity. Okay, we can have one example for this. Recall uniform speed of previous class. In that case, the definition was same. Equal distances covered in equal intervals of time is called as uniform speed. And we took an example that in 1 hour means 60 minutes, a body was covering 60 kilometers. This was one of the example. In 1 hour, body was covering 60 kilometers of distance. In half an hour, that means 30 minutes. The same body covered 30 kilometers. In 15 minutes, the body covered 15 kilometers. In 1 minute, the body covered 1 kilometer. In 1 second, the body covered 1/60 kilometers. Means in each time period, in each ample of time period, the body was covering equal distances. I am saying the same. When the body is covering equal distances in equal intervals of time, always in a particular direction, that time the body is called as having uniform or constant velocity. Next is velocity of a body can be changed in 2 ways only. First, by changing the speed of the body, and second, by keeping the speed constant but changing the direction. If the speed of the body remains constant but direction is changing, in that case the velocity will be changed. And second, if the speed is constant, speed is not changing but direction is changing, in that case the velocity of the body will change. How? Suppose you are around a circular track. You have heard about roundabout. गोल चक्कर के बारे में सुना होगा, या कोई भी roundabout या कोई भी circular track है, उसके अगर sidewards आप move करते हो. Suppose a car is at the point A. Right now its direction is towards north. It is starting now and reach to another point B. Now its direction is towards east. Now it is moving continuously and reaches to another point C. Now its direction is towards south, moving continuously and reaches to another point, that is D, and its direction is west. Means maybe possible the speed of the car is constant for the whole journey, but ultimately direction is changing continuously. And when the direction changes continuously, whereas speed remains constant, in that case also the velocity of the body changes.